Kulumai Namaskar, myself Vasu, and welcome to the third episode of Let Us Know Our Assam. Today we will discuss about the tea gardens of Assam. A company known as the Assam Company was formed in the year 1839 to take over the experimental holding of the East India Company's administration over the tea gardens of Assam. This was the first company in India to undertake commercial production of tea in Assam. A second company, known as the Jorhat Tea Company, was formed in the year 1859 to encourage tea production in the state of Assam. The Tea Auction Center in Guwahati was established on 25 September 1970. It created a new atmosphere in the tea production of Assam. According to the reports, Assam alone produces 630 to 700 million kgs of tea every year. In Assam, the total area under the tea cultivation is about 3 lakh hectares. Assam has around 800 to 1000 tea gardens, making it the largest tea producing state in India. Monabari Tea State of Assam, which is located in the Biswanath district, is the largest tea state of Asia. The tea plantation in Assam employs 70% of the total workforce in Assam. The Adivasi peoples are mainly engaged in the tea production. But not all the Adivasis are engaged in the tea production. Some of the Adivasis are doctors, some of the Adivasis are engineers, some of the Adivasis are teachers, and they are engaged in the various sectors of economic, social and cultural aspects. They live a healthy and truthful life. If you like the video, tell us in the comment section, and also hit the like button, hit the share button, and also repost the video.